In this video, we're looking at how to install Access Server on a Linux machine. You need to have an account for Access Server. If you do not have an account, visit our website, openvpn.net, click on Get Started for free, and then you can create an account for yourself. If you already have an account, you can just click on Sign In and then choose Access Server here and enter the email address and the password that you used to create your account. Once we're logged into the Access portal, we can see the options for Deploy Access Server here, or we can just click on Install Access Server on the left menu. Either one, it's going to take you to this page. We can see we can deploy Access Server on the number of platforms, but here we're talking about Linux, so let's go ahead and choose Linux. We can see there are two options. Either we can run the installation script, or we can do a manual installation. If you choose the second option, click on this link, and this is going to take you to a page that it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. But the easiest way is just running the script. So I'm just going to copy this script, and I'm already connected to my Ubuntu machine through an SSH session. So I'm just going to copy and paste that script here and hit enter. Now this is going to take a few minutes. We're going to fast forward through this part and come back when it's done. Our installation is completed. Now we need to scroll up here till we see some information that we need for logging into the admin UI. So if we scroll up, you're going to see this section. It gives the Access Server admin UI address, URL address, and client URL address. Also, the account that we're going to use is going to be OpenVPN and the temporary password here. As you see here, I have the private IP address. Now, if you're logging in from outside, you need to use the external address. So let's go ahead, copy this address. I'm going to replace this IP with the external IP and log in into the admin UI. So let me go ahead and open another tab here and enter my address. We'll see this error message because this is the first time we're logging into the admin user interface. We haven't installed the digital certificate yet, so the Access Server using its own self-signed certificate. So I'm going to bypass this message and we get to the login screen. Again, the account name was OpenVPN. And the temporary password, we need to get it from our terminal again. I'm just going to copy this password and paste it here and log in. First time when you log in, you need to agree to the license agreement. So read through it and then click on agree. And here we go, we're on Access Server admin user interface. First thing I suggest to do is changing that temporary passwords. So to go to users, OpenVPN, click on edit, and here type a new password for your OpenVPN account. Once done, click on save and then restart Access Server. At any time, if you need to upgrade your activation licenses, click on activation and then click on this link that says go to Access Server portal. It's going to take us back to the portal. And from here, we can click on activation keys. You can either upgrade your existing plan or purchase a new one. Either one, you can choose the number of connections that you need. And then you can choose your billing cycle, either monthly or annually, and then purchase your licenses. Once done, you're going to get an activation key, such as this one. We can copy this, go back to our admin UI and paste that activation key and activate it. For more information, you can visit our website, openvpn.net. Under Resources tab, we have documentations and tutorials.